My dear students, good morning. After classifying chemical reactions into 5 different groups, I have told you about combination reaction and second one is the decomposition reaction. Today I am going to tell you about displacement reaction. That is, you know that is a displacement means the process of replacing a thing from one place to another place. Here, in case of chemistry, displacement reaction, how can you define it? The process of removing an atom or group of atom from a substance by atom of another element. The process of replacing or removing an atom or group of atoms from a substance by atom of another element is called a displacement reaction, right? For example, Zn, no, Fe plus CuSO4 FeSO4 plus Cu. Here iron in solid state, copper sulfate aqueous solution, ferrous sulfate aqueous solution, and copper in solid state. Just compare what you have defined. The process of displacing an atom, Cu here, or group of atom by an atom of another element. Here you see copper is being displaced by iron from copper sulfate. So this reaction can be said as displacement reaction, right? Take another example. Zn solid plus H2SO4 aqueous. After reaction, see ZnSO4 plus hydrogen gas. This one is aqueous. Here you see hydrogen is removed or replaced by zinc from sulfuric acid. Therefore, this reaction is also an example of displacement reaction. One thing more important here, displacement reaction may be defined in another way. And what is this? The process of removing a metal of lesser reactivity from its salt solution by a more reactive metal. Is called displacement reaction. Here you see zinc, here in this reaction zinc replaces or displaces hydrogen from sulfuric acid, therefore zinc is more reactive than that of hydrogen. Iron is able to displace copper from copper sulfate solution, therefore iron is more reactive than that of copper. Here I want to tell you about reactivity series. With the help of reactivity series, you can easily say which metal will displace another metal from its salt solution. I want to tell you a code regarding this. This code is PSC Magnetal H Com Ciplago. PSC Magnetal H Com Ciplago. P means potassium, S sodium, C calcium, M magnesium, A aluminium, Z zinc, I iron, N nickel, tin, yes tin, L lead, H hydrogen, CO copper, M mercury, Si Ag, that is silver, Pla platinum, Pt, Go gold, you have to remember it as PSC Magnetal H Com Ciplago. This is coding, and this one here, this is the decoding code, coding and decoding. You have to remember it as PSC Magnetal H Com Ciplago. So P means potassium, S sodium, C calcium, M magnesium, A aluminium, Z zinc, iron, and Ni nickel, T tin, L lead, H hydrogen, CO copper, M mercury, and Si silver, Pla platinum, and gold Au. If that is, you should remember it, you should keep in your mind as such, then you can explain as well as you can write any displacement reaction, and it will never wrong. If you do it, it will never wrong. Take an example. Cu plus AgNO3 CuNO3 whole twice plus 2Ag. You have to consider here whether this reaction is possible or not. Consider it. Here, this is the reactivity series. Although I will tell you it in your next lesson, acid, base and salt, but to explain displacement reaction, I have given this clue. That is this coding for you. Here you see copper had been placed above silver in reactivity series. This is the reactivity series. Therefore, copper is able to displace silver from silver nitrate solution. See here, the process of removing a metal of lesser reactivity from its salt solution by a more reactive metal is called displacement reaction. Here, potassium is most reactive whereas gold is least reactive. And any metal in this reactivity series can displace another metal lying below it from its salt solution. राइट इन हिंदी दैट इज कोई भी मेटल अपने से नीचे वाले मेटल को उसके साल्ट सॉल्यूशन से डिस्प्लेस कर सकता है राइट सो नाउ यू हैव टू कंसीडर वेदर दिस रिएक्शन इज पॉसिबल और नॉट एंड इफ यू अप्लाई दिस रूल देन I am hopeful that you will give correct answer. Perhaps you will write here, yes sir, this reaction is possible. Again consider another reaction, zinc plus aluminum sulfate zinc sulfate plus aluminum. Tell me whether this reaction is possible or not. Consider it. Apply this rule here. What will you get? Just you see aluminum is placed above zinc. Then what will happen? Zinc cannot displace aluminum from aluminum sulfate because zinc is less reactive than aluminum. Right? So in this way you can say that this reaction is not possible. No. This reaction is not possible. This is possible. Right? So to explain or to know the displacement reaction, you should know this coding. PSC Magenta HCOM Siplago. Now consider this displacement reaction by an activity. Take some iron nails, new iron nails. Surface of new iron nails appear gray or silvery white. Take 2 iron nails. One is kept outside and another, that is one is kept as such, whereas other iron nail is put in aqueous solution of copper sulfate, CuSO4 aqueous solution, and put this iron nail into this solution. This iron nail. Color of copper sulfate solution is blue or light blue, and iron nail surface appears gray or silvery white, you may say. Keep the beaker as such for some time, about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, note the observation. So, observation during reaction between iron nail and copper sulfate solution. First point. After 30 minutes, you will note that color of solution becomes light green. Light green. Second point, a brown colored substance appear on iron nail. A brown color substance appears on the surface of iron nail. Right? These are two observations. You have taken a fresh iron nail which surface appears grey, but after putting the iron nail in copper sulfate solution for 30 minutes, you observe that its surface becomes brown. That is, here surface becomes brown and color of solution turns light green. Why? This is explained. Here this observation is explained by a chemical reaction, that is displacement reaction. CuSO4 aqueous FeSO4 aqueous plus Cu. Copper sulfate light blue and here light green. Light green and brown colored substance brown. So here you can say that, or you will say that here solution becomes light green because of the formation of ferrous sulfate, and a brown colored substance appears on the surface of iron nail due to deposition of copper metal on it. Therefore here iron is more reactive than copper, so iron displaces copper metal from copper sulfate solution and it comes in the solution. So color of solution turns from light blue to light green. Now take some homework. Question number 1. Define displacement reaction. Displacement reaction. Question number 2. Give four examples of displacement reaction with their chemical equation. Chemical equation, balanced chemical equation. Question number 3. Write two observations during reaction between iron nail and copper sulfate solution. Question number 4. Classify the given chemical reaction as combination, decomposition, oblique displacement. Reaction. Zinc carbonate, when it is heated, ZnO plus CO2 B Zn plus FeSO4 ZnSO4 aqueous plus Fe C Cu plus O2 CuO solid oxygen gas heating solid D AgNO3 plus zinc ZnNO3 whole twice plus 2Ag. Thank you very much.